Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.4, Problem 3. This is Section 3.4, Problem 3. It says multiply the given numbers, 4.3 times 2.5. So, with a problem like this, I prefer to write it vertically. Of course, if you can use a calculator, just enter it in the calculator and get the answer. But if you have to do it by hand, I find it easier to do if you write the problem in a vertical format, 4.3 times 2.5. So for a problem like this, what you want to do is just pretend it's 43 times 25. At first, just ignore the decimals if they're not even there. So 5 times 3 is 15. Write the 5, carry the 1. 5 times 4 is 20. Add the 1 that you carry. 20 plus 1 more is 21. Now, when you move down, you have to slide over to the left by 1 spot. You can put in a 0 to hold your place if you like. And now 2 times 3 is 6. Next, 2 times 4 is 8. Then I will add 5 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 6 is 7. 2 plus 8 is 10. So if it was just 43 times 25, I would have an answer of 1,075. But now here's where I put the decimal back in. Go to your question and see how many places there are after the decimal altogether in the question. 1, 2. Now go to your answer and you should have the same number of places after the decimal. 1, 2. So if I come in 2 places, the answer really is 10.75.